So hi everyone, I'm back after a long time with another video और आज वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको कुछ लाइफ अपडेट्स दे दूँ. I moved to Canada in April and it's been 2 months since I moved here and 2 महीने का एक्सपीरियंस मेरा काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है और आई होप कि जो भी आप लोग यहाँ पे आना चाह रहे हैं और नहीं आ पा रहे बिकॉज ऑफ द ट्रैवल सिचुएशन एंड एवरीथिंग, आई होप कि आप सबको जल्द से जल्द मौका मिले आने का सो दैट यू कैन स्टार्ट योर न्यू लाइफ इन कैनाडा. और आज मैं हूँ Queen's Dock पे, which is just another dock on Detroit River. The opposite side of the river is Detroit. Like this is a very nice place to chill with friends and family if you want on weekends. So ये अभी बहुत हवा चल रही है तो बहुत आपको आवाज़ आ रही होगी, इसलिए मेन वीडियो यहाँ पे शूट नहीं करेंगे. I just wanted to show you around. So let's get started. So as you know from the title of the video, आज का वीडियो होने वाला है about part time job, like how I got my part time job, what are the best jobs and what are the best ways to find these jobs. तो उससे पहले मैं ये बता दूँ कि when I was looking for my first job, I got it in less than 7 days and उस समय मेरा thought process ये था कि now that I have moved and I want to live on myself, so I wanted to get a job as quickly as possible and start whatever job I got. So उससे क्या होगा कि मेरा एक basic earning start हो जाएगा और उसके बाद along with that I can keep looking for something else which is related to my studies. So the first job that I got was as a product handler and packager in one of the packaging industries. So I started doing that job. That job was paying me well over 14. So वो job मैंने start कर दिया था so that I can start some basic job and I can start earning up to some level. और उसके साथ साथ I kept on looking for some jobs that are related to my studies. So I eventually got one. So I am a production associate in one of the manufacturing industries. The name of the company is Linamar. So that industry is very much related to what I am studying. So I think this should be the thought process for everyone. Ki start your first job as soon as you are here. Try to get it as early as possible, so that you can start living on yourself, and along with that keep looking for another job that is far more related to your studies. So this is what helped me and this is what I think that should be followed by everyone when they are looking for a part time job. तो अब बात करते हैं कि मेरे को जॉब्स मिली कैसे. तो when I was looking for my first job, I had no connections here. Like none of my friends and family are in Canada, so everything I had to do it myself. So when I came here, started building connections. तो ये आप लोगों ने बहुत बार सुना होगा कि कनाडा में कनेक्शंस इंपॉर्टेंट है, कनाडा में कनेक्शंस इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, लोगों से मिलना इंपॉर्टेंट है. बट जब आप यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं उसके बाद यू एक्चुअली रियलाइज़ कि कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो बेस्ड ऑन माई 2-3 months ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस आई विल टेल यू कि यहाँ पे कनेक्शंस की बहुत ज़्यादा वैल्यू है. Connections are the first thing that help you to get a good job. Like I had some friends who were already working in the packaging industry I told you about. तो वहाँ पे वो लोग पहले से already काम कर रहे थे and when I came I started talking to people. They started telling me यहाँ पे about the jobs that you can get much more easily without any experience. So उन्होंने मुझे उस packaging company के बारे में बताया. तो जब मुझे पता चला तो आई टॉक टू फ्यू मोर पीपल. आई गैदर सम इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द HR ऑफ द कंपनी, लाइक हाउ कैन आई अप्लाई एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई देन आई अप्लाइड टू दैट कंपनी एंड आई got a call for like orientation interview. They actually don't take an interview because it's a packaging job and anyone can do it. So they just called me for an orientation and I started working the very next day after that. तो वहाँ पे मेरा पहला जॉब स्टार्ट हो गया था और it started giving me like a decent amount of money and I started living on myself. I tried to save as much as GSE and live just on the income. So you should also follow this. So this is how I got my first job. Like that made me realize कि how important connections actually are. कि यहाँ पे लोगों से मिलना, बात करना, अपना नेटवर्क बिल्डअप करना बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है इन गेटिंग टू नो जॉब्स. जैसे अभी मेरे को किसी ने बताया पैकेजिंग इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, तो अभी मैं किसी और को वो चीज़ बता सकता हूँ कि दिस इज़ द कंपनी, दिस इज़ हाउ यू कैन गेट हायर्ड एंड दिस इज़ हाउ एवरीथिंग वर्क्स आउट देयर. तो अब इस तरीके से नेटवर्क बिल्डअप करते जाइए अपना, फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिलीज एंड लाइक your roommates, new people you meet here. Just keep building your connection because that is very helpful. So this is what I believe, that having connections, knowing people is the most important and the easiest way to get a job here. It can be in restaurants or company like a packaging company or like any stores. Like if you have references, if you have connections, that is really gonna help you. And after that, how I got my second job, that is a production associate. So Windsor is a hub of manufacturing company. That is why I chose to move to Windsor rather than any other place in Canada. So I started applying to these countries. I started collecting information about how to apply their websites and their HR email IDs. So I started applying in those companies, and the place where I'm working right now, Linama. So when I applied there, I got the reply that they are not hiring currently, but they'll store my information so that whenever they're hiring, they'll contact me. And they did. And after which I had an interview and I got selected. And right now I'm currently working as a production associate. So अब उस कंपनी के बारे में भी आई केम टू नो फ्रॉम अ फ्रेंड दैट देयर इज अ कंपनी दैट यू कैन अप्लाई, यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स को हायर करते हैं. तो अगेन connections. So my friend told me about it. He must have heard about it from someone else. So this is how information flow. Like this is how people came to know about jobs and everything. So the point you should note is build your connections. As soon as you came here, start talking to people, start talking to friends, start talking to like your roommates and everything, because जो यहाँ पे पहले से रह रहे हैं, they have far much better idea about how thing goes. So talk to them. Tell them you're looking for jobs and be open to work, because like this is very important. You must not be like ki this is I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that, because if you are open to jobs, there like Canada is a pool of opportunities. You can get many jobs as soon as you start searching. And there are a lot of people who say that Windsor में jobs बहुत कम है, which is kind of true, because यहाँ पे students बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. But in 2021, not a lot of students have traveled to Canada because of COVID and everything. So अभी यहाँ पे students थोड़े कम हैं, तो अभी jobs मिलना is relatively easy. But जैसे things will get back to normal, and तो यहाँ पे वापस थोड़ा competition बढ़ने लगेगा. But eventually सबको job मिल जाता है. So the thing is that you should keep looking and you should be open to work. So that is the point I think you should take from this. So next let's talk about like what are the most popular jobs. मैं सब लिख के लाया हूँ जिससे मैं कुछ बोलना चाहूँ. तो let's talk about what are the most popular jobs that are opted by students. Like so the first one is working in restaurants. तो किसी भी सिटी में वहाँ पे बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स होते हैं. तो यहाँ पे मैंने देखा काफ़ी इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स वर्किंग इन रेस्टोरेंट इन लाइक मैकडॉनल्ड्स और टिम हॉर्टन्स और इवन सम इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट. जैसे यहाँ पे विंडसर में बहुत सारे इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं दैट स्पेशलाइज इन इंडियन फूड्स. तो वहाँ पे भी वो वहाँ पे प्रेफरेबली इंडियंस को हायर करते हैं, बिकॉज they know like everything about Indian food and Indian culture. So that's the thing. तो रेस्टोरेंट्स में बहुत लोग काम करते हैं, और रेस्टोरेंट्स में अप्लाई करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है दैट यू वॉक इन द रेस्टोरेंट्स विद द रेज्यूमे एंड यू टॉक टू द मैनेजर डायरेक्टली. बिकॉज काफ़ी टाइम पे ऐसा होता है कि यू गेट टू नो अबाउट सम वैकेंसी इन रेस्टोरेंट्स थ्रू लाइक एनी app or website like Indeed or everything. So you apply there, but there are very less chances that works. So my advice to you is that if you want to work in some restaurant, just move in and talk to the manager, and don't forget to hand over your resume to them, because that is how they are going to contact you. So just go into the restaurant, go from restaurant to restaurant and talk to managers, talk to employees, and tell them that you are looking for a job. And it can be like there you can work as cashier, as like in the kitchen, some like if you know how to cook, and mostly as a cashier, and like delivery, like these are all the things that you can do in a restaurant. So just go in and drop your resumes. इसके बाद second is a packaging company that where I am working. So if you want to work in a packaging company, if you want to work in industry, so the best way to do is applying through agencies. तो कैसा होता है, कनाडा में बहुत सारी एजेंसीज होती है दैट वे यू कैन गो एंड टेल देम दैट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब, एंड उन एजेंसीज़ के बहुत सारी कंपनीज में कॉन्टैक्ट्स होता है. तो वो कंपनीज एजेंसीज को कॉन्टैक्ट करती है कि भाई वी नीड वर्कर्स फॉर दिस जॉब. सो देन दी एजेंट्स दे टेल यू कि भाई इस कंपनी से हमको इसकी डिमांड आई है, and if you want to go you can go. So that is another way of working. So if you want to work in some companies and some packaging industries, that you should go to agencies. There are a lot of agencies. You can just Google it when you come here. So like hiring agencies or service providing companies. They are also called service providing companies. So you can just search for them, and then you can tell them that I'm looking for a job, and they'll help you with that. थर्ड, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन जॉब्स जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं, दैट इज़ एज डिलीवरी बॉयज और वैलेट्स. सो जैसे कि ऊबर ईट्स, स्किप द डिशेज एंड डो डैश, यहाँ के तीन मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज फूड ऑर्डरिंग एप्स हैं. तो इनमें यू कैन वर्क एज डिलीवरी बॉय. तो उसमें लाइक इफ़ यू हैव अ कार, इफ़ यू हैव टू व्हीलर, इफ़ यू हैव अ बाइक, एंड इवन इन सम प्लेसेज यू कैन डू वॉकिंग. So you can just contact them that I want to work as a delivery boy, and they'll hire you, and then you can start working. So this is like one of the most common job that is done by Indians or by any students for that matter in Canada. Yeah, so the fourth one is working in stores, like the most common stores: Walmart, Frisco. Walmart is like one of the jobs that students are mostly looking to get into, because Walmart is a very nice place to work. It pays you well. So yeah, Walmart. Then you have Fresco. Then you have Canadian Tire, and apart from that, you have like few other stores. So what you have to do to get hired in these stores is, again, you have to walk in. You have to drop your resumes, or you can like go to their website and check for the jobs available there right now. So this is one other way of getting hired into these companies, these stores actually. And they do hire a lot of students. The places I'm discussing about right now, mostly they hire students, because like they know that students are here, they need to work, they need to earn so that they can support themselves. So yeah, all these jobs are mostly hiring students. So Walmart, Fresco, another really good option to work. And the next one is security. तो सिक्योरिटी में कैसा है कि सिक्योरिटी इज़ लाइक वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट पेइंग पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स. लाइक देयर यू कैन गेट अप टू like 17 or even $18 for an hour, and even more than that if you work in the right place. So securities में ऐसा है कि before you start working as a security, you have to get your licenses and certificates. तो उसमें पहले 2-3 हफ्ते का ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग होता है, where you have to like do the training for CPR and everything. तो और उसके बाद एक एग्ज़ाम देना होता है, और वो एग्ज़ाम पास होने के बाद में आपको आपका सिक्योरिटी का लाइसेंस मिलता है. So once you get a security license, you can start working as a security in some restaurants, or maybe some hotels, or like some bars and everything. They do hire security people. So security भी यहाँ पे बहुत इंडियन लोग करते हैं. तो yeah, like if you come here and if you want to make some good money, so you'll have to get your security license. और जब लाइसेंस बनवाने के लिए अभी $200-300 का खर्चा होता है, but against that you are earning much more as compared to another part-time job. So yes, if you want to go for securities, you should definitely do that. And the last one that I want to discuss is working like getting the license to work as a forklift driver. So forklift, मैंने अभी तक जितनी भी कंपनी में काम किया है, दो फॉर दैट मैटर, तो वहाँ पे फोकलिफ्ट ड्राइवर्स का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस होता है. तो एवरी इंडस्ट्री हेयर नीड्स फोकलिफ्ट ड्राइवर्स. एंड फोकलिफ्ट ड्राइवर्स में भी आपको पहले ट्रेनिंग करनी पड़ती है, लाइसेंस लेना पड़ता है, एंड देन यू कैन अप्लाई. सो फोकलिफ्ट ड्राइवर्स का पर आवर पे कैन गो एज हाई एज $22 to $23 beginning in the beginning. So yes, forklift is another very good option if you work as a student, but again you have to get the license and get the training and everything, because it is quite dangerous work. So you have to be well trained before you can start working. So ये सब मैंने अभी आपको वो जॉब्स बताई है which are the best options for students in Canada, जो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स मोस्टली करते हैं. और इनको करने के सबसे लाइक हाउ टू गेट दिस जॉब, उसके लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट मैंने आपको बताया इज बिल्डिंग कनेक्शंस. टॉक टू पीपल, जस्ट गो आउट एंड टॉक टू पीपल दैट आई वांट टू वर्क, आई एम ओपन टू वर्क, एंड दे विल टेल यू कि बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो लोग रहते हैं दे कम टू हियर अबाउट यहाँ पे जॉब्स अवेलेबल है, यहाँ पे दे आर हायरिंग पीपल. सो डू दैट, डोंट मिस आउट ऑन दैट, जस्ट गो एंड टॉक टू पीपल एज मच एज यू कैन. माई मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एडवाइस टू यू. सेकेंड इज़ कीप योर लिंक्डइन अपडेटेड. मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है हु डोंट कीप देयर लिंक्डइन अपडेटेड, एंड आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज़ अ गुड दैट्स द राइट थिंग टू डू. कीप योर लिंक्डइन अपडेटेड, बिकॉज जब आप इंडीड से या फिर आप ग्लासडोर से कहीं पे अप्लाई करते हैं, तो यू हैव टू शेयर योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल विद देम, एंड वहाँ पे दे चेक योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, दे गो थ्रू ऑल योर qualifications and education. So keep your LinkedIn updated. My second advice to you. Drop your resumes wherever you can, in restaurants, in like agencies. Drop your resumes. Yeah, and be open to work. start looking as soon as you can, because I started looking in my quarantine, and that's why I got my job in less than 7 days. So start looking at an early stage and be open to work, and definitely you can land it in a good job. So I've tried to discuss everything that I knew, and इसके बाद भी if you want to ask me anything, if you have any questions, please you can reach out to me on my socials. I'll drop them in the video in the description as well. And apart from that, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And one more thing, I'll try to be regular on with my videos right now, because last 3 महीने में I've been settling in, I've been looking for jobs, I'm working, I've been like doing a lot of things. So yeah, I'm back, and I hope that I'm much more regular now. So with this, let's end today's video, and I hope you guys can be here as soon as possible, because I know you really want to. And until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and that's it. Bye bye.